You've probably heard of the call stack. It's where JavaScript keeps track of the code it's currently running. But JavaScript can only do one thing at a time. So what happens when code needs to wait, like set timeout or fetch? That's where async JavaScript comes in. When you defer something, like a set timeout callback, it doesn't just run whenever it feels like it. It gets placed into a queue called the task queue. And when the main thread is free, the event loop picks it up and runs it. But here's where it gets interesting. There's actually a second queue called the microtask queue. Promise callbacks, like .then, go here instead. And the rule is simple. The microtask queue always gets priority over the regular task queue. So if you have a set timeout and a resolved promise firing at the same time, the promise callback runs first, every time. Now you might be wondering, if JavaScript is single-threaded, what's actually doing the waiting for things like set timeout or fetch? The answer is the runtime itself. Those functions are not plain JavaScript. They run outside the JavaScript thread, often written in languages like C or Rust, handling the waiting so JavaScript doesn't have to. JavaScript delegates the waiting. That's the whole trick.